This video, I show you how to get paid $20 every time just by choosing yes, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is how to earn money from home by answering questions. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification on. It's free and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. Isn't it cool to know that just by clicking a few buttons, you can earn $5 or $10, or even up to $20 repeatedly rolling into your wallet or account balance? Yes, we always look down on small amounts sometimes, but not in this case, because I will show you a website that earning $5 up to $20 is not something to ignore and adds up very quickly. And they can end up into more than $200 to $300 in just a day. You can also immediately cash out through different payment options. And yes, of course, this website is 100% free, no need for any investment. It is currently wide range to different countries. So I'm so excited to share this big opportunity with you. But before we start, comment down below, I am from blank, aka your country. In that way, I will know exactly where you're from. So in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. And don't forget, I'll be giving special bonus tips that will allow you to earn double or even triple more money compared to other people. So make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now let's get back to the video. First off, I want you to go to this website called enrollapp.com. Once you've reached the homepage, you will see here, let's make the web a better place. It's a 100% legit company that is quite in demand and popular in the industry right now. It provides an opportunity for us to make money from home. There's no need for any experience or any technical skills. Pay close attention as I show you right now the steps so you can start earning money as soon as today. When you're on the homepage of Enroll App, go to the right side where the green button that says Sign In is located. Click on it and it will then take you to this page where you can enter your email address and password. Easy, right? Such a simple process, but I also want you to check your email because if this is your first time signing up for a free account, you need to activate your account by clicking the verification link sent to the email address that you provided. Once you are logged in and on your Enroll App dashboard, you will see a mission progress data that tracks your progress. Every time you finish a mission, there's a cow icon on the progress meter that starts on the left and moves forward to the right. The little cow will move every progress that you made by completing projects and missions. But here's the best part. And that is receiving extra cash prizes and bonus money. That's why I highly recommend this to beginners and newbies. And as I've said, you don't need any investments. Listen up here, because there are things that I want to show you that will help you double or even triple your money. What is it? Well, it's a little secret trick that I discovered myself after working on this website. So make sure to keep watching and focus so you won't miss anything. The first thing that you'll notice on your Enroll App dashboard is when you scroll down below, you can see polls and how many polls you have answered. Polls are the questions written below that you have to answer. After answering, it shows how did you stack up. You'll see the statistics, the surveys and the polls of how many answered yes and no. No need to do anything in this question, just continue. So you just finished another poll question. And as you can see here, from 18, it goes to 19 answered polls. If you do another question, it will add up to the polls answered. It's very important to answer every poll for you to make money online. Also, the more polls you answer, the more points you'll have. So from the starting line, your little cow icon can reach the finish line quickly, so you can earn more bonus money consistently. It will be much easier for this website to give you suitable projects that fit your demographic and your interests. When you answer more polls, you can receive more missions and earn more money. You can repeat the same question again and again by clicking on the buttons just between yes or no and continue. You can do this as many times as you want actually, because there is no limit. You can also see the polls that you've answered in real time. Remember, the more questions that you answer or the more polls that you do, the more money you make. And yes, you can do this with just your smartphone if you don't have a computer. The best part is it works worldwide. It doesn't matter if you're from India, US, Philippines, Pakistan, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Indonesia, South Africa or any other country in the world, you can get started earning money using this opportunity. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video in which I've put a lot of time and energy to actually do, I would really appreciate it if you guys tap the like button and make sure you subscribe with notification on. And if we get 2,000 likes on this video, I'll drop a brand new video next week to show you guys exactly how to make even more money online doing basic stuff like this in the comfort of your home. Now let's get back to the video. Now moving on to another tip, if you go to your dashboard, click achievements on the top, and you'll be able to see your progress. You can see how many badges and points you have. It also shows what mission you have. For example, your first mission is Earth. Now all you have to do is follow the instructions on how to take tests, answer the poll questions and be active. Be active means that you have to log in every single day on your account to gain bonus points and money repeatedly. You need to do it for 30 days in a row, just for 5 minutes each day. Simply complete one poll question a day and you finish your first mission. As I explained, with every progress done, the cow icon will move forward to the right until it reaches the finish line. Also, the more badges you get, the more points and money you can make on this website. Now, here's one more important thing that you need to configure if you want to make triple more money, so pay attention to this. When you log into your account, click on the drop-down arrow beside the profile icon and click Test Preferences. That will then take you to this page. You need to make sure that all of your profile settings are up to date. As a reminder, your responses to these questions will be kept private, so don't worry about that. Next, I want you to select all 3 devices below where it says devices I can test on, which are mobile, tablet, and desktop. If you'll ask me why you need to select all 3 of them, it's because the more devices you choose, the more tests that you can do, and the more polls that you can answer. So the more money you can make. For testing availability, it will ask you when the best time for you to take the test is. So I want you to choose the first one, which is send me tests as soon as possible, so they can send you more tasks on your account and more task notifications on your inbox. The more opportunities you have, the more money you can make. Also, it's important to check the notification below about sending you an email when you qualify for a test and validating your phone number, so they can also send you an SMS notification aside from your email notification whenever they have tests available that you're qualified to take. Always keep in mind to follow all these settings for you to make more money on this website. After all of that, you can go back to answering poll questions. Just continue doing it again and again. You just saw how simple it is to make money online using this website, just by choosing between yes or no. Anyone from anywhere around the world can do this. All you have to do is focus on your progress by finishing all of your missions, getting more points and badges, and see your little cow icon go from 0 to 100 and start earning your bonus money. Now if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here for you to discover how to earn $2,197 just by listening to music, which is one of the best ways to make money online.